This is the basic build right there. That's what it's going to look like. My wood that I cut for the sides is 24 inches tall by 8 inches wide. And then this piece is 8 inches by a little under 16 inches, but not by much. I want to figure out where I want to put this shelf. I'm going to put these guys right next to each other and line them up even so I can draw a line across. Let's put it up 3 inches. This is the support. The shelf is. This way it not only will match up on each side, but this helps me with leveling the shelf as well. We've got our shelf line. Tacky glue. I would normally use Elmer's wood glue, but I don't have any available to me. And I'm going to line it up right there. I don't feel like I should have to drill holes in this wood, but it just chewed that screw head up. I'm letting the glue set a little while so that it won't be moving around, and I'm going to drill holes in here and put a couple screws in. That's just for extra stability for that. So my shelf then will sit on top of this, and it's going to get screwed to the other piece and glued. I need this piece in first before I do that, I do believe that's what I need to do. All right, I'll get back with you when this glue's hardened. So while my support's down here, the glue is drying, I've put this up on its side and I've got my shelf in here, so I want to square it up. If this works, I'm going to be shocked. So I've decided I need to pre-drill my holes or the screws are not going to do what they need to do. Yay! First official screw sunk. And we're still square. Nice. Woohoo! Oh, that one split the wood. Darn it. That's okay. I'll lean the screw down a little bit. Hopefully it won't come through. Cool. All right, that side is done. So I appear to have a piece of wood here that doesn't want to square up for me. It wants to land above the support. See the gap right there? That's with the L bracket on the straight edge. Yeah, and so I glued my support and now my wood is warped. So This is glued right here. No getting it off. It's stuck on real good. But I have to deal with what I've got, so I'm going to go ahead and plant my screws up there and hope that the shelf will hold. Oh, sorry. Bad camera angle, and lots of cords for lights, mic, all that stuff. That is squared up. But oh my goodness, look at this. Between the toes. I need a wireless mic. The way I roll, I need a wireless mic. That's becoming apparent. If you're enjoying this little kitchen build, leave a comment below. Amateur hour for sure. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I was thanking the Lord the other day for the invention of the vacuum cleaner. Yeehaw! I've got me a base. Sweet! That was easier than I thought. Let's stand it up. Nice. There's my base. Check that out. Nice. I am going to maybe sink another screw on each side for more support. Probably should just go ahead and do that before I do anything else. There we go. That's nice and stable. I think those supports are completely unnecessary. But what do I know? Nothing. Super sweet. So I'm going to put a brace right here. I want to make sure we are squared up. It's good. Since I'm on the floor with this, I really don't want that glue spreading onto the carpet while I do this little drill right here. Make sure we are square. How's that looking? Not too shabby. See, my screw came out of the board right here on that one, but that's okay. Nice. All right. So now my top, I'll get that real quick. This is 24. I'll measure it because I don't remember. So this is going to go like this. Oh, I've put the top on here, and I think what I'm going to do is offset it to where it is more off of one side than it is the other. Why does that not look right in the camera? I feel like there's a huge gap. There isn't. It's like really close right here. Hold on. I'm going to change my angle. Now you'll be able to see it, I hope. See how I've got it like really close to the edge right there? And then on this edge over here, I have it hanging off much farther. The reason for that is where my sink is going to go. I want that sink not in the middle. I want to be able to use this as prep area to put my stove on to cook. So I like it being offset like that. So I'm going to get this thing glued down and then screwed. Well, how does that look there, guys? Sweet. So the next step is to, of course, cut the hole in it for the sink. Okay, so I'm figuring my faucet is going to sit right here. Or, no, let's have it over here. I was thinking, do I want it over here in the middle? But no, I want it over here. So I think I have my sink in a really good spot. 5/8. That's where I want to cut, so that this lip is going to sit on top. So I'm going to eyeball the circle.